Alright, this is overhead mic test at 15 dB plus. Greetings, the Astro 30 here yet again, and welcome back to AL. Thank you for joining me. Now I'm trying a different experiment. The microphone is actually a foot away from me and above my head. The microphone probably should be pointing down at this point, but it's not. So let me stand up as if I was standing behind the camera looking at something. I'm about 1.5 feet away from the microphone windsock, and what I'm interested in is, do I have any room echo, and is my voice clearer than it would be on the microphone, on the camera's mic? And I think it is, because this is a lot clearer sounding than the camera mic. The camera mic sounds a bit muddy. So with this experiment, I'm just going to think about placement of the mic, plus 15 dB gain boost on OBS. So I reckon this would probably be about right. And the next video I do, I might try this mic arrangement just to see how it works out. And there may be clipping. It depends on the level of my voice. So if I go back to overhead mic and sitting back and just relaxing, I could probably be talking about a schematic. We've got Q1 here and Q2 forming a long tail pair with current source and current mirror, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so how does this sound?